Hi, it's Gina again, back with one of my favorite things. This is the SnailLax Memory Foam Massage Mat. I love this mat. It doesn't, some people may want is the shiatsu rolling a massage. This is not that. It's a vibrator. So it has 10 vibrations. And it has the 6 heat functions. It's very plush, very plush, and soft. And it has the memory foam, so it keeps track of your body. It also has, this is the remote control, and as you can see, it has the heat functions and the massage functions as well. I don't have it plugged up right now, but it has different functions. So, and you can go from low, medium, and high. So if you don't like it real intense, you can put it at low. If you like it, more intense, you put it at high. It has different levels that you can put, different massages that you can use here, M through 5. So it does your upper back, your lower back, your legs, and your feet, if you have it all the way down to your feet. Anyway, here's the outlet cord, and the back of it is, you can put it, it can be adjustable, this strap, and you can put it around your chairs, or you can lay it on your bed. I like to lay it on my bed and lay on it rather than on a chair, but it's up to you. I have no idea what this is. This is something, but I don't know what it is. I think you can put something in here. Yeah. Okay, maybe your phone, or, oh, I know what. This goes in here. This stores inside when you're not using it. And that's it. So I love this product. If you love it too, please leave a comment. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.